Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 5, and we are learning unit number 6, and its title is Traffic Issues. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, my dear students and my dear teachers, lecture number 2 under the title of Grammar, we will learn about demonstrative pronouns. Okay, on page number 47. So my dear students, already in English for grade 3, we have already learned about possessive pronouns. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. And in this class, we are going to learn more about pronouns and its different kinds. Our today's student learning outcome is identify and illustrate extended use of words that point at something. That how we can point out things and how we describe things using pointing words. So today we are going to cover up that, my dear students. So interesting lesson will be, okay? So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 2. This is the book. There is no doubt about it. A guidance for those mindful of Allah. Subhanallah, my dear students. This is the book. Which book? Definitely Al-Quran. This beautiful verse is telling us the importance of Al-Quran, that Allah Almighty is mentioning, highlighting that this is the book. Means this is the book. This book, there is no doubt about it. Okay, there is no doubt because Allah Almighty is protecting this book by self. Okay, so a guidance for those mindful of Allah. There is a guidance for those people, those are mindful of Allah. They are always remembering Almighty Allah in every matter. Okay, there are 2 words, 3 words I have circled, my dear students. Have you got that? These 3 words, this, there, those. Okay, so today we are going to get about these words. So be ready. Here is a brainstorming activity for you, and be quick, and you have to do it. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, what you have to do? Get students in pairs. Okay, quickly you have to get students in pairs. It's up to you. 2 students you can get. See them to point out things they find in their classroom, i.e. nearby things are far away things. So interesting activity there is, my dear students. See around your class which thing you find, even which thing is near you and are farther away, far away from you. So you have to point. Be quick, because I have a lot of things. Look, this is a pen, this is a there is a remote I have in my hand. So in this way, hurry up, I'm waiting for you. So point out and enjoy this activity. Welcome back and excellent job. I hope you have enjoyed and you have got that what we are going to learn. Good. So see there, what are demonstrative pronouns? The words this, these, that and those. Mostly, my dear students and my dear fellow teachers, these 4 words are being used as demonstrative pronouns, are called demonstrative pronouns. This and these are used to point to the things near us. That and those are used to point to things further away. Have you got that? This and these we use to point things, those are near us. Near us things, we use this and these. And that and those we used for further away things. Okay? This is being used, my dear students, when we are pointing single thing, singular. Okay? Just one. Suppose this is pen. This is pen. And these for more than one things, like 2 are more than 2 things. So I can get that like, oh, these are the things, because 2 different things are there. So these are things. I can say that because these are so near to me. So that's why I have used these. And next is, see there, that. That is used same like that. There is an alternative like opposite. That is used for singular thing but far away things, that I can say, can you see that? Yes, that is a pen. So I have kept this pen far away. That is a pen. If I will get two things and they are away from me, so what I will say? Those are things, because two different things same like already we have discussed. Look, those are things. Have you got? So this is so like already we have learned a lot about it. This is so simple concept is that. So have you got? Let's see a few examples. There are examples for you. You can see that this is an apple. So near, okay, and singular thing. Next, that is an apple. Now you can see that, okay, there is a gap, distance, and away from pointing things. Okay, that one is pointing and this apple is away from him, and singular also. See there? Yes, these are apples. So now you can see that how many apples are there? Definitely more than one, and these are so near, so we have used these. And next, those are apples, so you can see there is distance and apples are further away, so and more than one, that's why we have used those. Have you got? Good job. Few other examples are for you. Those apples look juicy. Yes, those apples. Okay, those are away. Next, this is my jacket. Okay, and so near this is jacket. So this is my jacket. Next, see there. These are your books. And these are also so near and more than one. Have you got, my dear students? Good. Now we are moving toward an activity, and so simple and interesting activities for you. So be ready. Yes, my dear teachers, what you have to do now, what you will do, sit students back down at their desks and put in pairs. Okay, you have to get students back of their desks, and what you will do, you will get into pairs, my dear teachers. Pairs take it in turns to ask questions and point to things around the classroom, such as, see that I am giving you example, what you have to do. One student will say, because we have paired up students, what is that over there? And next student what will say? Student B, that is a book. In this way you have to clear their concept and you have to enjoy it through activity. So pause the video and perform this activity in your class. I'm waiting for you. Welcome back. Good job. I hope now you have enjoyed and also you have got. Good. So let's see, open book, page number 48. There is question number 6. Choose the correct demonstrative pronoun for each sentence. So you have to do it by yourself, and individual activities there, and you have to do on book under the supervision of your teacher. So yes, my dear teacher, pause the video and get this activity in your class. Welcome back. Good job. Good job, my dear students. And I hope and I believe that now you have strong concept about demonstrative pronoun. Good. So what's our homework for today? Write 10 sentences using demonstrative pronouns learned in class. So you have to write 10 sentences. So yes, my dear teachers, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should get it and provide it to your students in printed form and get that, check that, how much knowledge that now they have got about demonstrative pronoun. So what we have learned today? We learned that pronouns are those words that take the place of a noun already. We learned that a demonstrative pronouns is a pronoun that is used to point to something specific within a sentence. These pronouns can indicate items and they can be either singular or plural. And in this way we have covered up our SLO. Identify and illustrate extended use of words that point at something. Yes, great job, and we have done with it, and also we have enjoyed, because I also enjoyed while teaching you, my dear students. I hope you have enjoyed too. So stay blessed for today. Tomorrow with a new lecture we will meet soon, inshallah. Okay, so till that time stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.